Ways to cope with the challenges post suffering from COVID infection. Yes. Now, how we are going now, these are the challenging times. बहुत चुनौती भरे हमारे ये समय है, और आगे भी अब ये कितना समय चलेगा हमें पता नहीं है. हमें क्या करना है, किस तरह से इसको कोप अप करना है. तो there are some few points, we will quickly see those points. Yes, don't rush things that need time to grow. You go slow. थोड़ा सा आप स्लो चले, है ना. एकदम से ऑफिस खुला नहीं है, दो दे आर सेइंग 50% शुड कम. यस, ट्राई टू गो लाइक half of the people should go there. और जैसे अभी बंद है, parties, people are trying to arrange some parties and they want to have many friends. No, you take time. एकदम से आप मत करें. अगर आपको बहुत अकेले घर में बोर हो रहे हैं, परेशान हो रहे हैं, आप एक फ्रेंड से जाकर के मिले, एक या दो फ्रेंड से जाकर के मिले. यू नीड नॉट टू गो एंड मीट 10 फ्रेंड्स और 20 फ्रेंड्स एट अ टाइम. यस, you go and meet one friend or two friends. So don't rush. Now keep a watch on your body and inform doctor in case of any abnormal activity. कुछ भी होता है, because even all those who have gone through this COVID, जिनको हुआ था, जो हॉस्पिटल गए और वापस आए, their body that they are very weak inside. आपको भी मालूम नहीं, अभी 1 महीना हो रहा है, 2 महीने हो रहा है, but you have to go slow. Don't rush for anything. Take baby steps. छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स करके, थोड़े थोड़े से आगे करके आप बढ़े, and let your body acclimatize to this new routine, new things which are happening. Right. Why practice self-compassion? Yes, be compassionate with yourself, because that will keep you happy, that will keep you more resilient and less stressed. More resilient. Resilient is another a very big topic when we talk about that. Resilience means कि how fast we come back to the normal situation. Resilience, right? कितना जल्दी हमारे सामने ये सिचुएशन आई है, हम इसको फेस कर रहे हैं, और बहुत जल्दी हम चाहते हैं कि हम इन सब से उबर जाए, इन सब से निकल के आए, एंड वापस हम नॉर्मल लाइफ बिता सके. सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर वेरी गुड in this area. They are very, very resilient. And in your life, whenever you have these situations, any problematic situation, so it is good that you come back to normal situation as soon as possible. So this is what very important. And self-compassionate people bounce back more easily from the setbacks and are more likely to learn from their mistakes. Whatever has happened, now how fast they can come back to the normal. Yes. Exercise daily. Yes, be active and as instructed by doctor. Yes, that is very important. You have to do the exercises. Don't go in for heavy exercises or something very out of the way, and just after doing 2 or 3 days, 4 days, and then you stop. No, go slowly. जो जितना आपका बॉडी, आपकी शरीर अलाउ करता है, try to do that and come back to the breathing exercises and all this. They are very, very important. So yes, keep this practice. Don't resist change. Embrace it. Yes. Accept that your life may changes during this pandemic. That acceptance is very important. जिस दिन आपने ये accept कर लिया कि हाँ ये new change है, हमें इसके अनुसार बदलना है ना, हमें भी change होना है, तब आपके पास जो आपके सामने जो प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी वो इतनी प्रॉब्लमैटिक नहीं रहेगी, because you know that you have to change, right? And you have to accept these changes. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपके बॉडी में कोई चेंजेस आ गए हैं, है ना, तो आप इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट करिए. And when you accept that yes, there is a change in my body and what all I can do to bring it back, so it will be easier for you to help yourself. And in any area, आपका जॉब है, अगर जॉब आपका छूट गया है, राइट, एक्सेप्ट इट. उसी के लिए रोते बैठे रहना, ये हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, नहीं. ट्राई एंड सी एवेन्यूज फॉर न्यूअर वेज. आप ऐसे रास्ते खोजे जो आप नई नई चीजें कर सकते हैं. मैंने एक किसी की एक स्टोरी पढ़ी थी लास्ट जब लॉकडाउन में था, और उसका भी सब जॉब छूट गया था और वो पहाड़ों पे रहने वाला था. और जब उसको पता चला कि कोई एक वहां पे खास हर्ब है जिसको लेने से सर्दी खांसी दूर हो जाती है, and he started doing that, like bringing that particular herb, और उस herb का उसने धीरे धीरे लोगों को देना शुरू किया, फ्री देने लगा. देखा कि yes, there is a remarkable change in their cold and cough, and then he started a business. और आज ऐसा हो रहा है कि like he is actually selling it not only to that particular area but in many places, and that is a way he started his livelihood. His job was gone, उसकी नौकरी चली गई थी, लेकिन उसने घर आकर के उसने दूसरे तरीके ढूंढे कि किस तरह से वो अपने परिवार को चला सके. So these are, you have to accept these new changes, and the faster you accept, the better you will be able to face all these things. Yes, next. Yes, so this is a very good one. A simple way to understand life during COVID. So what I have to do? This is a game, the Ludo. And in this, whenever you are at home, you are safe. So that you have to understand. आप जब घर में रहेंगे, आपको कोई मार नहीं सकता है. तो ये चीज को आप ध्यान में रखिए. And be at home. Try to go keep yourself like social distancing को maintain करें, घर में रहें ताकि आप प्रॉब्लम से बच सकें, and as and when very necessary, then only you go out. Yes. Religiously follow the protocols made by the government. Yeah, you have to follow the protocols. Wearing masks the right way, sanitize hand, wash hand for minimum 20 minutes. Avoid the 3 C's. Spaces that are closed, crowded, or involve close contact. Yes. Contact your doctor immediately if you or your family members feel any minute symptoms. Go to the doctor immediately. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं घर में उपचार अपने कर रहे हैं, नहीं अभी हम ये काढ़ा पी लेंगे, अभी हम ये कर लेंगे, अभी हम वो कर लेंगे, हम ठीक हो जाएंगे, एंड उससे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स जो है वो बढ़ती जाती है. Don't be your doctor yourself. Go to the doctor, go to a professional doctor who can give you the right advice at the right time. Don't believe on unauthentic rumors like WhatsApp forwards. Yes, that is very important. हम बहुत जल्दी जो भी हमारे पास आता है WhatsApp, हम तुरंत without seeking, without seeing how authentic it is, हम तुरंत वो forward कर देते हैं, because that urgency is there, that urge is there that I should be the first one to forward this message. So try to control that urge and see whether that is an authentic news or not. किसी ने भी कह दिया कि प्याज का रस खा लो, या ये चीज अदरक खा लो, लहसुन खा लो, so many things are coming up. So try not to listen to that, but go to the professional doctors and listen what they are saying, what their researchers say, उनका क्या कहना है. That is important. And yes, most importantly, please vaccinate yourself. Yes. So that was all which I wanted to tell. But now the important tip. Yes, सबसे important जो है वो क्या है? How to remember these skills? Can anyone tell? Unmute yourself and just tell me. ये जो कुछ भी मैंने बताया है, how to keep yourself mentally healthy, what you can do?
थैंक यू मैडम। मेरा एक लाइन है जो मैंने अभी टाइप भी किया कि सकारात्मक सोच रखेंगे तो नकारात्मक आपके व्यूज खत्म हो जाएंगे। ये हैव टू बी पॉजिटिविटी। और
Yes.
मास्क पहन के चलेंगे और घर पे रहेंगे तो सुरक्षित रहेंगे। आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि अभी जल्दी नहीं है कि हमें पार्टी कर दें। हम ये पार्टी
Yes.
अपने परिवार के साथ भी कर सकते हैं। परिवार के लोग भी आपस में एक दूसरे को नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, तो आप जरूरी नहीं है
Yes.
कि बाहर निकलें, घर पे रहें, सुरक्षित रहें। Thank you.
Very Yes, very good. Yeah, so how to remember these skills? Can anyone tell?
All the coping strategies which we have discussed, उसको आप
Yes.
याद कैसे करें, आप अपने सिस्टम में कैसे लाएं, which becomes a regularity.
Ma'am, I would request आप ही बताएं. I don't think anybody has the right answer, so you can just go ahead and tell us.
We know the ideas.
Okay.
Okay, we'll.
It's a bit difficult, but the only way to be perfect is to
Practice. No,
Yes.
ma'am, I think practice. Yes, ma'am.
yes, practice,
Gets into your
Yeah.
yes, practice, and practice. Unless you are going to practice this, you are not going to learn these things. You are not going to remember these things. So try to practice all these things, the new things. I know it is difficult, bit difficult, but the only thing is that when you start doing this, you will do. When you know that this is a certain situation and you have to see your emotions, how you are going to express them, you know how to control them, definitely you will do it. So remembering and practicing. Yes, thank you so much.